I look a mess. Hey you guys, hold on. Looking a mess, but hey you guys, welcome back to another weekly vlog. Today is Saturday, and I'm about to get my life together. I've been hanging on by a couple threads as far as my appearance. My hair has been in these twists for about 2.5 weeks. But yeah, anywho, it's Saturday. I'm on my way to get my real nails done. This is my real nails. They have grown out more so evenly, so I want to get them done. I'm gonna get them done by my girl Sugar Nails. We're gonna do a nice overlay. I'm not sure what design I want, but I just want my nails to be done. So today I also have to, at 12, well, I'm gonna do a review for Temu. I have this big box back here. I don't know if you guys ever heard of them, but y'all see that in another vlog or another video that I ordered from Temu. Finally, it's been going around. It kind of just came out of nowhere, even though it's been around. It kind of just happened like Shein. There was a specific time where nobody knew what Shein was, and then boom, everybody was talking about it. And so I feel like Temu is basically kind of like replacing Shein's hype. Even though I love Shein, y'all know I'm always shopping on Shein. But I feel like Temu is like way cheaper. Of course, according to whatever you're looking for. But anyway, you'll see. I might do my brows and lashes today. I need to get a body wax. My girl is booked, so I might try to go somewhere else. If not, I'm gonna end up using Nair, which I'm trying not to, but I need to see if my eyebrow girl would at least wax under my arms, because what I want to wear today for an event I'm going to, I'm gonna be by the water. I'm on my way to Dunkin' Donuts to pick us up some breakfast, and then we're gonna go do our nails. So see y'all in a sec. Well, you almost there because you slimmed down a lot.
Friend, but I don't understand what. I've never really picked like matcha or green tea.
Okay, they made it right.
I made it?
Yeah.
Just because, like, I don't know. I don't know what is it. What is like a green leaf?
It's like you're drinking.
Does it give you energy like coffee?
It's just healthier than. I don't drink matcha. It's my second time ever having it. Trust me. I'm not a matcha girl, but I'm trying to stop drinking so much coffee because I just drank so much coffee yesterday at work. I'm like, you know what? Let me just try. It's either that or a refresher.
Oh yeah.
It's like drinking your greens with a little bit of milk and sugar.
Okay.
That's what it tastes like.
So it's supposed to be a natural energy giver.
Yeah, it's like green. It's just greens.
Makes sense.
Kind of tastes like grass, if you ask me. There's a coffee roll in here at the bottom for you.
Okay then. Okay, what we doing with these nails?
It don't matter. I just really wanted my nails done. All right, so let me think. This so. We're gonna do this natural overlay. These are cute. Oh, look at that little springy.
Right?
That is cute.
I've been saving a lot of short stuff.
Yeah.
These are cute too.
Ooh. I like that.
Right?
But the spring is getting.
This is like a little sparkle. It's a little almond though. We're gonna keep our shape though, right?
Yeah. I like the little square.
I know, classy white with some diamonds. Every time I see the nails like that, I think of your wedding.
I swear, I was just looking at them yesterday. I'm like, dang, it's already been 4-5 months. It's almost 5 months.
Bro, time is such an illusion. Cause what the damn?
It's almost 5 months. Yep.
Or even like a white with like just a line too.
That's cute. I don't mind neutral. You know, I'm always down for neutral. Thank you so much. See you soon. Go ahead. All right, so I was supposed to be doing nair, but instead of doing nair, I might get my underarms waxed, maybe my legs. The legs is $45. I feel like I could just slap some nair on that thing and I'll be good, but we're gonna see. I don't know if I'm gonna pay that right now, especially if it's not my wax girl Mo. So I think I'm just gonna do my underarms because, don't judge me, but they need it bad. Okay, it's really bad. So I'm gonna definitely do underarms. I might do my brows. I might just wax them because I'm not really going nowhere to need it tinted. So I think I'm just gonna do wax underarms and brows, and then nair my legs when I get home. I'm probably not gonna do lashes because, again, I'm not going anywhere. Okay. Underarm first? Mm-hmm. Sorry. All right, so pause. At this very moment, this is when I knew I messed up. Okay, a couple things I noticed at this very moment. Number one, she did not use the baby powder. You're supposed to use powder or whatever, moisture sucking agent to take off the moisture from under your armpits. You sweat under there. Every time I get wax, I always start off with powder and then they wipe that off and then add the wax. That's one thing I noticed she didn't do right away. So that made it so much harder because the wax and my moisture, my sweaty armpits were like fighting. Y'all, I was hurting. And mind you, getting my underarm wax is my favorite wax, my favorite body part to wax because it usually feels good. It hurt so bad. Y'all can see my face. I was almost about to scream. Like, what? And then she took the scissors out and started clipping them. Really, yes, my hair was a lot, but that's not the point. Like, you really were clipping the wax out of my hair because it was stuck. And you'll see later on, I ended up telling her I'm not going to do my legs anymore because I said earlier that I might just do nair. But then when I got there, I told her I'll do it because you know what? Why not? If I can get someone to do it for me, why not? But after she did my armpits, I was like, oh no. Note to self, do not cheat on your wax girl. I am so sorry for cheating on you, Mo. I would never do it again. This was horrible.
Thôi chị nhổ cái chân nữa, cái chân nó chị đẹp chỉ làm kháng.
To get up?
Yeah. Then go this side.
This way. I'm not gonna do that. Just ups. Yeah.
Đấy nhỏ hả chị?
Vậy hả?
Dạ nhỏ.
Thank you. Y'all, let me tell you something. Here is a friendly reminder. When you find someone who does a service for y'all that you really, really like, when y'all find someone who does a service, your nails, your facials, whatever, do not cheat on them. That lady hurt me so bad. I have never wanted to cry getting my armpits waxed. That's the easiest wax. That's the easiest part on your body for me to get waxed. That junk hurt. And then she didn't really do that good of a job because I could see so much hair. Look at all this hair that's still left over. Granted, my thing was pretty bushy, but if you're waxing it, like, it should come off. All this is still here. Look at this. I could literally count how many hairs I see. So just a reminder, do not to cheat on your service, your fellow estheticians, hairstylists. Don't cheat on them. Don't cheat on them. Stick to who you know. Again, my wax bill is booked and I really needed my armpits dealt with because the outfit I want to wear, and I just don't want to use Nair. Nair literally is burning the hair off, and I don't mind using Nair on my legs because my legs are not gonna like develop, you know, underarm pimples and stuff. But on my underarms, I don't want to use it no more. I did it like a month ago and it grew back like this. I don't mind that happening on my legs because my legs never get affected, never get any bumps or anything. But like using Nair down there or under my arms, no, I don't mind using it for my legs. So anyways, I'm wearing the long pants, so I don't really care about it. Again, I'll do it tomorrow morning, like before church, because I might wear, you know, a dress or whatever. But like, I mean, this, I'm sorry if this TMI if you don't like seeing stuff like this, but my eyebrows look good. I just got them waxed. Demi did them. She's like, no tint, no lashes. I'm like, no, not today. I don't know, I don't need it yet. I'm not going nowhere after this. So, but look, I don't know if you guys can see. You can still see hair. Mo would never. This one isn't better. You can see that one's a little bit better. But me still being able to see hair really bothers me because but whatever. It is what it is. It's done. But I definitely feel, you know, more confident because all the hair itself is gone. Well, like if I was at waxing with Mo, all of this would have been gone. Period. But my brows look good. See that matcha latte I had this morning tore me up. It went literally straight through me. All right, light green. Oh dang. Bye y'all. See y'all.